Hi guys, good morning. Today is a snowing day. Kalalabas ko lang ng bahay and it's so snowing. Ayan, look at that. Look at that. Lakad na tayo. Yan, ang kapal ng snow. Yan, very makapal. Today is a heavy snowing because it's a snowfall warning. Oh my god. Ayan guys, look. Hindi na makita ang daan guys kasi walang naglilinis. Yan. Walang naglilinis sa kalsada. Yan guys. Ang kapal ng snow ngayon. Ayan. Walang naglilinis. Ayan. Ayan. Look at this. And guys, look at that. And guys, today is Wednesday, December 10 in the morning at 12 o'clock. Ay. Look at that guys, today is Wednesday, December 10 and it's so heavy. Yan. Very heavy. Yan. Yan guys, oh. Uy, saan na ba ang daan? Hindi ko na makita yung daan guys. Look. Ayan, naglalaro sila guys, oh. Lumalabas yung mga bata sa school. Naglalaro sila sa snow. It's very big. Oh my god, that's really fun. Bye. Have fun guys. Tingnan niyo yung kalsada guys, oh. Yan, maputik siya ngayon. Train. Ayan, dumaan yung train. Train guys, dumaan yung train guys. Kaya yung mga sasakyan mahina magpatakbo kasi slippery. Ayan oh. May ano na guys, may lilinis na ng factory. Ayan. Ayan ang naglilinis. Ayan, mahina ang takbo ng sasakyan. Ayan oh, naglilinis na siya. Nililinisan na niya yung ano. Ayan. Ayan. Naglilinis na siya. Tapos naglalagay din siya ng asin. Ayan o, yung asin. Ito o. Ayan. Ito yung asin nilalagay nila. Oh. Ayan. Parang tawas. And then yung car. Ayan, mahina sila magpatakbo. So, okay guys. Bye guys. Lalakad na ako guys. Bye. See you later. Have a nice day.